Oh, I know we've all faced this embarrassing moment when your zip just decides to open up. Hey, let me tell you guys, this is the most embarrassing moment for anyone. But today, don't worry because I got you. I'm going to be showing you guys how to avoid such moments. And basically, what you're going to be using is one simple thing, and that is this ring that you can find on your key holder. Kama ushaibuy key holder, inakujanga na hii kitu, na hii ring. So you're going to be using these. And what you want to do is insert that ring into a small hole that is on the zip. Yes, so you're just gonna insert that in the small hole in the zip.